We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention.
Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a little Thanksgiving vlog today. And I am just getting ready for the day. I'm putting on some sunscreen mixed with foundation. And I think in my last vlog I was talking about how I was going to do my nails, and I ended up doing this burnt orange color. This is the first time I've done my gel nails. I actually like the result. I hope you guys are getting a chance to celebrate Thanksgiving with your families, but I'm just celebrating at home with my husband and my brother-in-law and his friend, which is why I'm not getting super ready. Just my normal routine. And I washed my hair today, so this is my natural hair, just pretty wavy, and I'm going to use this T3 to flat iron it. I'm not a huge fan of over straightening my hair, but just gonna make it look a little more polished. Take some of the frizz out. I really like this flat iron. It's the T3 from Costco that I got. I think it's on sale right now if you go. So I'm not gonna get my hair pin straight today because I want it to have a little volume and a little life. My husband's actually doing all of the cooking today. He's a really good chef. Funny because in my last video that I filmed, he was also cooking, but in reality, I'm the one who does most of the cooking in my house. But I'm pretty much ready for how much I'm gonna get ready today, and I'm just wearing a top and leggings, super casual, simple, and I'm gonna go enjoy my holiday. He's focusing very hard on his recipes right now. He has many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you're cooking the rest.
I'm cooking. What am I supposed to be cooking?
I don't know. What'd you bring?
I didn't bring anything to contribute. No, you're making me look bad on my video.
This stays in.
This stays in? I hope it's not too shaky. I was laughing.
It's a turkey. This is unboxing.
Go ahead, provide your commentary on the carrots I picked
I
out.
asked Anna to get some carrots, and she got the 2 biggest carrots in the world. Where'd you get these?
Meyer, the grocery store.
These aren't carrots. These are like monster things. Carrots are like.
Did you want baby carrots?
Max. No, there's a size between.
This is so you can sloppily peel them. This way you can
What
be.
are you talking about? No.
Sorry, Tom. I cannot control the size of carrots that farms make. Farms grow.
They're usually standard. These are not standard.
Okay, you're really gonna take a picture of the carrots?
Yes. Why are you the carrots of it? Page no.
Who are you gonna send this to? Who's gonna care how big your carrots are? Okay, look how badly your cutting board is on the counter too. I'm gonna provide my commentary as well.
Oh, look at that. I fixed my problem.
Are you saying the carrots aren't fixed?
I guess I can just use one of them, really.
What are we gonna do with the other carrot?
I don't know. You figure it out.
Well, I guess I can give it to the dog.
No.
Does he want it?
If we gave something inside, he would absolutely chew it. Nice carrot. This is a carrot from the Isle of the Cyclops, where there's just giants everywhere.
They are really big carrots, but...
No, why did you get these two? There's like a standard size carrot. They're like generic. They're like this thick.
The other carrots were in a bag. Did you want to add
That's
plastic
fine.
to the world?
That's fine.
These are
They're standard
unpacked.
size carrots.
Wait, are these carrots the ones I got, or are these the ones from Blue
I
Apron?
asked you. That's why I brought it to you.
Wait, let me check.
No, you should know. You should know. Did you?
No,
get
I don't
these
know.
here? How do you not know?
I don't know.
How do you not know? Did you went to Myers, right?
Yeah, I got it, sure.
Okay, so you didn't go to Myers.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I went to Target.
Not
I went to Costco.
Not even close what we're talking about.
Tom, I don't even see the groceries. Our fridge is really full.
Yeah, but you put them in there, right?
I think I did.
Okay. Well, y'all said you went to Myers, and so that creates an entirely different standard.
Well, I went to Meijer in the sense that I facilitated somebody going to Meijer.
It's true, from a certain point of view.
Are you going to do something interesting right now?
I don't know.
Can I step out to the front door to show the Christmas trees?
I'm not gonna suck it. Oh, look it. This is normal size celery.
And look at how nicely they're all prepped for you.
A lot of celery.
That was 4 stalks. You asked for 4 stalks.
4 of these things. 4 of these things.
Oh, that's what you meant? I thought you meant
Yes.
like 4 bags of
No,
celery.
not 4 bags of celery. No.
Oh, I didn't. I thought you meant like 4 celery hearts. He's taking more pictures about how I got the wrong things. This is how much celery I got. It was a lot of celery.
This is how much we needed.
I'm sorry.
Every step.
But the turkey looks really, really good with all the sauce. Or what is it to turkey? How do you say it? He's ignoring me because he's that thrilled about making fun of me.
Turducken.
Turducken, okay. And it's a turkey stuffed with a hen stuffed with a duck.
No, it's a turkey stuffed with a duck, stuffed with a hen.
I thought I said that.
No, yeah, you had the hen being stuffed with a duck. You had the smaller animal being stuffed by the bigger animal.
I feel like they're all the same size.
Nope. Even with that one carrot produced so much, I gotta eat that out. So it's celery.
Okay, so good thing I got 4 stalks. We can make celery smoothies. Tony's in the background. I'm gonna show the Christmas trees. So our gardener is here and he is putting the Christmas trees in the planters. It's gonna be so festive. And I'll show the front yard because, or not the front yard, but the front porch. And we've got the wreath up. Here's the first planter, so pretty. Then we've got these 2 over here. It's so festive. This is the front porch area. This is the wreath. And then this is the other planter on the other side. Very festive. And puppy dog. Oh my gosh, the turkey has been moved when I got back. It has been moved over there. There's definitely turkey juice on the counter, but you know what? It's Chef Tom, so I'm gonna let it go. By the way, I can't
The point
see
is to clean the counter at some point in time, the next few years.
No, I'm gonna
Probably
clean it
today.
right. I'm gonna clean it soon when the turkey's in the oven. We've got the turkey going and we've got the puppy chilling. He thinks he's gonna get some turkey, but he's not. And it's gonna be sad, but I got him some other cool treats.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Yes, he is putting his hands in the oven. It's not like he needs his hands to do his procedures at work or anything. And it's not like his hands are super valuable. So these are gonna be our pie options for today. Blueberry, cherry, pumpkin, no apple because they didn't wanna be judged if they didn't get me a Michigan apple pie. Then we also have whipped cream and a puppy.
Your perfect time on this done.
Woo!
The
timer is done.
Your perfect time on this done.
Alexa, stop.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives.
There's a wing, the casualty.
Don't need anybody else. We came to party on.
Okay, so Tom made the turkey and it looks super good. Oops, it's over here. There we go.
We don't need nobody.
And now he is,
We just wanna dance on our own.
oh man.
We came to party all night
Done.
every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Sit. Sit. Hey,
Oh,
down. How many legs does this thing have?
are you supposed to be able to do surgery?
Yes, but you see, usually you're familiar with anatomy.
That's so fast we go. Worry, that's when no one knows just how we want it.
Right.
We want it. Going left, going right. Doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young.
Poor puppy is very tired. So now Thanksgiving's done, dinner's all done, our guests have left, and my husband's chilling. I'm gonna go chill as well. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.